Hello and welcome to this information session by MWT Education Consultancy regarding the Nursing Board registration process in Australia. This video is an attempt to guide internationally qualified nurses to gain registration in Australia as an RN. With APRA proposing changes to the Nursing Board requirements, what would be the best step forward for a nurse to gain registration in Australia? This question is uppermost in everyone's minds. The best option that we can offer you is a one-year Australian nursing qualification called the Graduate Diploma in Nursing, the GDN, which would be offered to internationally qualified nurses. This program is available at 3 campuses in Australia at Melbourne, Perth and Sydney. The fees for the program would be a nominal 20,000 Australian dollars. So who would benefit from this program? If you are a GNM, a BSc or a post-BSc nurse, you would be eligible to apply for this program. You would need an IELTS score of overall 6.5 with no band less than 6 or an OET score of 2 Bs and 2 C+. If you end up with slightly lower scores, we can offer you additional English language courses called ELICOs to support your language requirements. This is so that you would be able to meet the registration requirements of IELTS 7 or OET B when it's time to apply for your nursing board registration. So what are the benefits that this program offers? If you are a GNM nurse, it would apparently help you to upgrade your qualification to a bachelor level and enable you to be eligible to apply to the nursing board for registration. If you are a BSc or a post-BSc nurse, this program will enable you to study in Australia as well as work there in an Australian setting as a part-time healthcare assistant. The certificate program that is offered along with this course will enable these students to gain meaningful part-time jobs in healthcare settings in Australia. All this would enable you to meet the registration requirements as an RN. OET training throughout the one-year program is offered to support your language requirements so that you meet the registration requirements of OET B, which is needed for your RN registration. With APRA proposing changes, this is the best step or the best course that a student can actually take towards gaining an Australian qualification and towards registration. If you are a nurse who already has a decision letter from APRA, this program will enable you to gain credit points from your bridging course, and your fees for the graduate diploma in nursing would actually come down to 10,000 Australian dollars. This program is also open to registered nurses in Australia who are looking to gain a higher level qualification. So if you are a nurse who is dreaming of an international career in Australia, do contact MWT Education Consultancy for further details. We will be happy to assist you in your journey towards an international career. Thank you.